Here comes Nick and Brayden.
You want to try to ride in the red bike?
You want to ride that one? Say hi, Peanut.
A bear.
A bear?
Yeah.
Does she look like a bear?
Yeah.
Yeah, Peanut looks like a bear. She's got ears?
Yeah. Peanut bear.
Peanut's a bear.
Yeah. It's a bear. It's a bear.
That's a bear?
Yeah. Baby's a bear.
And baby's a bear.
Yeah. It's a people bear.
A pink little bear. Aww.
Bear. Bear. It's a bear. It's a bear. It's a bear.
Yeah?
It's a baby's bear.
And the baby's a bear.
Yeah. It's a bear.
Is she a cute bear?
Yeah. Pink bear.
A pink bear?
Yeah. I want pink bear.
Brayden's gonna ride the bike?
What are you doing? I'm not sure why you can push it with your feet.
It's not wooden. It's not wooden.
You gotta push it with your feet. Like Daddy showed you.